I am really excited, you guys. Active went ahead and sent me their home appliance surface cleaner wipes. I have so many before and afters to show you guys, but my absolute favorite is the first tier. This is the microwave. It's something that I really despise cleaning because you have to really scrub at it, and if it gets really bad, which sometimes ours does, I'm not even gonna lie, these are super handy. The wipes are bigger than I expected, so you're not using 5 of them just to clean one surface. They're strong. They don't wear when you're scrubbing. They don't fall apart. They have just enough texture to pick up grime instead of just smearing it around. I totally have used them on my stainless steel fridge, the microwave door, the glass stovetop, the dryer, the shower doors. What I like most is that they don't leave a greasy film like some wipes do. You wipe, it dries, and it just looks clean. The smell is mild, but not that strong chemical smell that takes over your whole kitchen. I almost didn't even notice it. They basically turn into one of those grab one and do a quick reset cleaning products, perfect for fingerprints on appliances, cooked on splatters, or when you just want the kitchen to look fresh again without committing to a full, deep clean. If you like having something easy for quick cleanups or just want your appliances to look shiny again, these wipes are worth it to have on hand.